Guys, we got a 2015 Altima. This guy broke and damaged the whole car. We got ourselves a new mirror. I'm gonna show you guys how to put this baby on. Right there is missing. All right, so we're gonna put this baby on. It got a 1 connector and 3 bolts. Very simple job. What we're gonna do is we're gonna open this door. Oh shit, he got a trick. All right, so my friend Ralphie is gonna hold the camera for me. So first, what we're gonna do is we're gonna grab this just like that. You're gonna yank this and break whatever you can, but try not to break anything. Okay, so this thing goes deep down, so we're gonna have to pull this guy just like that. And this thing goes all the way in here. And you see these little guys? You're gonna get these guys out. After that, you got this connector that's already disconnected here, which goes all the way in there, right over here. It's like right here. So it's pretty much connects like right here. You can fish that out pretty much. Just squeeze this and pull it out. And let me show you where that connector is. This was already out, but you see the connector is right there. You can put your fingers on that baby and pull it out. Simple as that. Just squeeze this and pull it out. So what we're gonna do next is we got another harness here, which is part of the inside of the mirror, which was on the inside. So we're not touching that. So we're gonna take off 3 10mm bolts. Okay, 10mm over here. What we're gonna do is we're gonna bring the camera a little closer. We're gonna loosen the 10mm in here. Make sure you don't drop them. Put your finger on it, just like that. And this bolt comes out. The stud in the back end, it's probably gonna try to fall out, but this little guy, just 3 nuts there. Again, same thing, don't let it fall inside, because if you drop it inside, it's a good bite. You can always match up a bolt instead of opening the whole panel. And once you get this guy off, 3 nuts come off. Let's look in the back. This whole thing should just come out. That's it. We're gonna get the new mirror next. Okay, so we got ourselves the new mirror here. So this baby goes in just like that. Let's look in here. 3 studs, gonna go through the 3 holes. Very simple. And I got one of the nuts in my pocket if I could get it out of there. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put 1 nut on so it holds it for me, and then I'm gonna come back around and I got 2 more nuts here. 1. 2. So we got all 3 in there. So let me grab the phone now. So what I'm gonna do now is I want to tighten these. Okay, but what you want to do is make sure your weather strip here sits perfectly. So aftermarket mirrors, it's gonna be off a bit, but this is original, so it's gonna sit flush, which is perfect. And what I want to do here is I am gonna lock up the 3 bolts. And you don't want to go crazy, because you will snap these and you will break the new mirror. So go easy and evenly. It's the same procedure on the opposite side. Driver or passenger is the same thing. So nice and tight. Nothing crazy. Okay, once you have that, what you want to do is you want to take your connector. All right, now we're going to take this connector, and what you want to do is you want to stick this little guy. If you want to use a needle nose, you can do so, but this little guy goes right in there. The camera might not be able to see it, but let's see if the camera can see it. There you go. Click. And what you want to do is, before you put this in, grab this. And my friend Ralph is helping me. So we're gonna put this baby back together. So you're gonna have to find the original spots. And should tuck right in. There you go. 1, 2, 3. And now look over here. This little guy, you're gonna lift it up. Bada bing, bada boom. You're all done and set. Thank you for watching my video. See you guys in the next one. And that's how you're gonna install this mirror.